Hey, what's up, fam? So we're back again with another lit video. This is gonna be an unboxing video. So I have with me a Nubia Focus 5G. Actually, I was supposed to be receiving a Hawaii Nova 13i. Is that a Y13i or something? Something of that nature. But somehow this is what came. So I guess it's gonna be a mystery for me too, because I did some research on the Hawaii Nova, and somehow this is what actually came. So I'm not prepared actually, but we're gonna make a plan for it. I'm gonna use a ruler for that. All right. So this is how the box looks. From the box itself, judging by what it says here, as you can see, it says 16 gigabyte. I don't know what the 6 is for and what the 10 is for. I'm guessing the 10 is for the RAM, and then maybe the 6 is for the boost, for the boosted RAM. You know how it goes. If they say 4 plus 6, sometimes maybe the 4 is a boosted storage RAM, and the other one is actual RAM. So yeah, so I messed up my ruler, but anyway, I got through it. So does it have the smooth drop down unboxing experience like I found? No, I guess I just have to put it out. By the way, this phone is a ZTE, so out the box I'm guessing you're gonna be met by the actual phone. Okay, maybe not. Let's just check what's in this. Okay, so this is the pouch. All right, yeah, as always, silicone clear pouch. All right, we're just gonna put it somewhere there. And inside is the phone, which I hope is not a demo phone. Let me just check it out. Yo, I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna cap. This actually looks good. This actually looks good. I'm not gonna lie. So it's a 10, it's a 108 megapixels AI camera. It has 5G octa core, 2.2 gigahertz processor, 256G ROM storage, and it has like 5000 mAh lasting battery. I mean, that's kind of fair. Before I check the phone, I just want to see what's in here. I'm just curious as to what you get with the phone. So we're just gonna check it out. So this is a power brick. It is this a fast charger? I'm not sure. Okay, so the output, the max output is 22 watts, 22.5 watts. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I do not know if you will. Okay, you know what? Doesn't matter. And anyway, in here you have a type C cable. This is a type C cable. And you also have a pair of earphones, which do not look bad in my opinion. I don't know why it looks like that though, but yeah, it's not that bad. It looks like it might be a banger headsets. It has a mic on it. It has a answering thingy button over there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we're gonna go into the phone itself. All right, so I don't know how I'm going to. All right, I'm just gonna switch it on as I explain the features of the phone, like the physical features of the phone. So it has a power button and a volume buttons, and but I'd like to assume that it's also a fingerprint scanner. Yeah, a side fingerprint scanner. It has an earphone jack under, and I think that's a mic, and that's where the charger goes in. It's type C. I'm just gonna start it up. All right, so as you can see, the scanner is just besides the phone, so we're just gonna enroll it. My OS it's the OS it uses. I don't know what that OS is, but from the get-go, it's not really, that exciting. Um, as in like the way the apps are seated, like it looks like it's a theme of some sort. Maybe I can say like you just downloaded a launcher or some sort, but I think that can be changed. It's an Android, so it's not a problem. So we're gonna go into the settings. Oh, first things first. Let me check the camera quality. All right. This is okay. These are modes. We have 108 megapixel camera. If I take that picture and I view it, my keyboard is dirty, so hopefully I'll be able to see that. Okay, yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's doing good though. I mean, the picture quality is good. I just thought maybe it'll take things from afar and just bring them close so that you can. Let's check the settings. So it supports 4K. Nah, this can't be real. It supports 4K. Nah, this can't be true, bro. Okay, so it supports 4K. All right, so we're gonna go into the settings. We're gonna check the phone. So the RAM capacity is 10 gig, right? And extended RAM is 6 gig. Oh no, the RAM capacity is 6 gigabytes and extended is 10 gigabytes from your storage. This is 6 gigabytes of RAM from your actual RAM, and there's extended RAM that's 10 gig. That's actually taken from your phone storage. That's what I was saying, that there's like a difference between the two. And the model is Z2357, and my OS Android version is 13. Okay, there's MIE numbers there, so I don't want to show that part. It's a Nubia 5G. Yeah, it's not bad. The screen is 1612 by 720, so it's 720p. All right, so we're just gonna check some things here. It has NFC, which is something I like about it. I mean, if you can check there at just next to the battery percentage, the NFC is on. And yeah, that's just about it. I mean, like, if there's anything that you want to ask me, you can just say it down below in the comment section and I'll just check it out for you. So just like the Hawaii Nova 13i, I think it also has a crazy ass big camera at the back. So yes, sir, that's what I wanted to say. And if there's anything that you want to ask, please do ask in the comment section and I will answer everything you need to know. So as from me, I'll check y'all in the next video. Peace out.